The next step in my slide deck is to introduce what I will be teaching or working on. Now I can close this themes box because it'll give me more room to see, and I need to add a new slide. So I could just hit the plus button here for a new slide, but if I select my drop down arrow, it's going to give me a bunch of options of things that I'm going to be able to talk about. So I'm looking through and I think that this one might work well because it's going to give me a title, it's going to give me a place to write some things and some open space here, which I can then use to add an image. So I'm going to click that there and I'm going to ask a question. What do you know about cats? Now, I could do this in a bunch of different ways. Now, I can see that my text box is a little bit bigger than I need. So I'm actually going to click and make this one a little bit smaller, which will then let me make this one a little bit bigger. Many people own cats, but do they know the history of the house cat? How closely related are they to wild cats? Now, when I look at this font is very small. So I'm actually going to select all of it right here, and I could change the font. I've got lots of options there. But for right now, I just want to make it a little bit bigger. I want people to be able to read what they're going to learn in this presentation. And like I mentioned, I've got some space right here. So I'm going to come over to Insert. I'm going to go to Image, and I'm going to search from the web. And what's great about this is if I do this, I'm allowed to use all these images and not worry about copyright or plagiarism or any of those things. So I'm just going to type in cats. And I've got some really nice pictures here. And I think I'm going to choose this one. And I can click Insert. The image is going to come in, and then I'm just going to straighten it out. And that's how I'm going to create my introduction slide in my presentation.